Yeah, what's good, what's good, what's good? Today we got another event, little POV, finally doing a little bit of POV driving. We are deep right now. I think we are like fucking hell 9, 10 cars deep. I don't know, I think like 6 cars. I'm being a little dramatic. 7 cars actually, 7. I think, yeah, we're like 7 cars deep, which is crazy. But we're about to go to a nice ass car meet. We're about to chill. Some crazy shit happened on the way fucking here. Driving through Mexico City, fucking shit was crazy, but we made it through. Pull a day, keep the doctor away. I'm not gonna lie. I had to honk at homie fucking next to me because it looked like he was not gonna pay attention behind us. I don't know, he's with us. Let's see what temps is looking like real quick. Damn, 210 oil temp. Car's feeling a little spicy today. A little hot, won't lie. We gotta do some regular driving. This fucking sit and stop traffic is killing my baby over here. Yo, that person cannot drive. This fucking dumbass nigga fucking over there. Nigga was smiling too, like shit's funny. Nigga got mad into my lane, like you can't fucking drive. When your car is too low for the car wash, so you get the boys. Yeah, we here. We have officially got to the spot. This nigga in a Kia, like, what are you doing? Yeah, yo, we are deep, fucking, sheesh, it's about to be a movie. We got the car clean with a little waterless wash. We got cool kids car. Sheesh. Yo, the fact that Gabe's intake sit that low is fucking insane. That's reckless. Hey guys, say hello to Push and P staff, cause it's a Push and P day. Yo, why you look like you just got out of jail with that stance? They making you nervous?
Very much so. I almost hit this damn.
Sheesh. Yo, we look like we on a school trip.
Right.
Yo. Oh, I do love a good Honda. Sheesh. And a hatch. Both hood exits, no hood.
Bro, that's
I was going to say I gave
Summertime fun. Summertime fun. I don't know how I feel about this wide body. I fuck with it though. It's clean. Nah, this is fire. They got the, oh, Captain America's here. That's an old ass BMW. Holy fuck. Bro, definitely. Yo, this is the guy that always does the most craziest steering wheel. Yeah, no, the stir pot when he was eating the rice too. Yeah. Nah, that shit is crazy. Yo, that's the ambient lighting I wanted to get. Sheesh. And the Hondeezy, everything easy. My son left money in there too, fake money. Nah, this Acura goes crazy. The carbon emblem. Yo, I would fuck with this. As a Push and P car, this is a fire Push and P car. This is fire. This is like straight out of Japan. Both of them too. Yeah, I like the left one because it got, yeah, the two-tone to it. This is a wagon? What the fuck is this? I ain't never seen that shit before. The next Push and P Acura. Sheesh, the Brom seats. Oh, he got the emblem. I've never seen that before. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. That is tough. Yo, that fitment is crazy. He lost some fender to get that fitment. He paid for that. Oh yeah, little F80 M3Zs. Sheesh. I don't know. I don't really fuck with it. Finally, carbon fenders M3Zs. Bags with the carbon fenders. I don't see the carbon fenders ever, bro. I don't know how I feel about just the fenders though. This is clean. Oh yeah, it's the one I seen last time. He got the fitment on point. Like his fitment's crazy. Yo, everything's bagged. Nah, this is crazy. Nah, this is crazy. Yeah, I was just about to say, no, this. Bro, that's a crazy freaking engine bay. The wheels is too much for me. Yeah, the only thing I jack about that shit is the engine bay. The wing is crazy. The wing, yo, peep the wing. Jeez, little S2K. I low-key love that color. Yo. I'm so happy the mic caught that. They passing Victoria's Secret. You want to go shopping? Yo, everybody's face is in shock. Pushing PM3s.
Let me not even put you on.
This is fire though. That's tough. I seen this. No, I seen a different one.
Yeah, the plane.
I still don't know how I feel about that brawl. It's not for me. It's like a brawl on the hood.
Yeah,
That's it.
I don't like it.
Yo, these shits was big back in the day, huh? Oh, that's tough. They put the Samurai. That is tough. Nah, that's fire. Sheesh. Nah, that shit fire. That's so funny, chat. Lady said, damn, you stepped in my picture. Bitch, everybody steps in my picture. Shut the fuck up. This is definitely a shorty's mobile. I love these C63s. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. These things are fire. Now that's fire. Now that's fucking fire, because that's fucking the turbos right there. That is fucking... Yeah, yo, bro, the turbos is right here, gang. That's fucking crazy. Keep the turbos. Yo, y'all wanna go shopping? Yeah. Push and P staff is zesty. Push and P staff is zesty. I've sported them. We're a big ass group though, I'm not gonna lie. Sheesh. It's that fitment for me. This is fire. Bro, they got the fake switch.
It looks like a PSP.
Sheesh. You see the good eats. Nah, this shit about to bust. That's clean. They said this is his brother's car. That's fire. I would not let my brother drive that shit. Sheesh. S2K on the Workmeisters. S1 3-piece. Sheesh. Team Scrape. Pero ya tú sabes, papi. That's fire. Nah, Team Scrape is outside.
That shit's right on the floor.
I know. Team Scrape is outside. Sheesh. See, LEDs like that are so good. You cannot see the individual lights. That's so clean. God damn. Agile M3Z.
What the fuck?
Yo, when there, you can never have enough speakers. This definition of is never too loud. Oh shit, that's carbon fenders. Paint matched. This is what I wanted to do the first day I got the carbon fenders, was paint match it, but I didn't because I like the exposed carbon look, but this is clean. Super fucking clean Q50 build. Holy fuck, you see this shit behind you? I'm moving out the way. This is crazy. Drop over me.
Right to my phone.
Huh? It cracked?
Yeah.
Oh, that shit cracked.
Yeah.
Why everybody phone cracking today? That's tough. Blue M3. This is Sao Paulo yellow with satin PBF. Oh, actually it's wrapped.
It's mad dirty though.
It's wrapped. Nah, this shit is so clean. Oh, this is the one we seen last time with the Grey Goose. It's fire. It's fire. This is wrapped. I'm almost 100% sure that's a wrap. That's not actual carbon hood. You think he's slick. Got the X5 though. Almost, yeah. Oh, that GTR is fire.
Lord have mercy.
The GTR is fire.
Little port.
Man, it's even that shit with the prosthetic. It don't matter. I love people like that actually keep on pushing on life when they have something drastic to them or even lose a limb, for example. It takes a lot out of somebody. Nah, all chrome Z1 build too. Jeez. This is a driver's car. Holy fuck. Straight driver's car. So E92. Hit lap time.
You got the dyno sheet? How much you made?
314.
Oh,
Huh?
He's on a Honda go with the suicide doors.
Nah. Not for me.
Spanish niggas be doing the most.
Honda with suicide doors is crazy. And it's wide bodies. That's fire. Bro, with all the money he dumped on this thing,
that's
nah, this is not it. This is rice. I'm sorry. Bona Caesars, this is rice, Papi. Diablo. That is rice. That is not nice. So two-step competition's about to start. Shit's about to get reckless.
exactly.
Get this two-step going.
Nah, this shit's about to be crazy.
Kinetic. So we about to let it rip. My boy, act. Go. Yo, you ready? Let it rip. Elijah. Yo, Elijah, let that thing go.